Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet baby frock designs, different color, different designs, combinations also in front of you. I hope you like this collection. Crochet is always beautiful, trendy, stylish. So, dear friends, most attractive collection in front of you. So, I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet baby frog designs and others like crochet baby shoes designs, baby cap designs, baby poncho designs, baby caplet, cap shawl, and circular jacket sweater designs, baby romper designs, and women cap designs, men cap designs, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, and women long dresses, short dresses, women top designs, women full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses also, crochet bed sheet cover, cushion cover, curtain designs, and sofa covers also. And in jewelry, crochet women necklace designs, earrings, bracelets, finger rings also, and feet jewelry like anklet designs and baby anklets, many more things also. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection. And please remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.